So we are here in the month of Ramadan, in which Muslims all over the world keep fast in between sunrise and sunset. And in this video I'd like to share with you guys the foods that I normally take before I fast and after. Now just before fasting I tend to have a good light meal that keeps me going throughout the day. Actimel is top on the list for me. I have 2 of these every morning during the fasting month. Different types of cereal, and sometimes I have chocolate flavoured porridge. Some fruits to go ahead with it, and a sandwich with different fillers. And not to forget, plenty of water to keep you hydrated throughout the day. At times I do tend to change my early morning meals. Over here I've got cheese and onion pasty, chicken bites and some vegetables. And not to forget the yogurt drinks. Now you can have plain or fruit yogurt to eat, but that will probably take you 5 minutes, while this drink does the job within seconds when you know your time is limited. Now coming over to breaking the fast. First obviously we break the fast with dates and water, and then it's just about having a normal meal. Now coming from a Pakistani background, we love our cultural food, from rice, chapatis and different kind of curries. So pretty much every evening we have different types of dishes. Over here we have lentils and scrambled eggs mixed into a curry, masala fish, deep pan baked fries, chicken pasta with rice. Definitely need some fruit and veg to go along with your meal. Over here we got chicken and cheese sandwich and some almond dates. Now it is best to have fresh fruit juice to boost your vitamins and minerals throughout this fasting period. At times I keep it simple and have mashed potato, tuna and steamed vegetables with a bit of fruit, and I just love adding a bit of hummus to my foods too. Over here we are making an aubergine curry mixed with peppers and different spices and seasoning. And one of my favourite things I like to eat the curry with is plain paratha. They come frozen, so all you need to do is heat them up on a pan, cook for a few minutes and you're done. Quick and easy. Falafels, bought these from Costco for £3.99. Goes very well with the hummus. Don't forget your fruits. So every evening just a mixture of different foods. Over here is a mincemeat curry mixed with peppers and peas. Now to be honest, once in a while I do get a bit peckish, and that's when I order a pizza. So overall guys, during the month of fasting, these are my foods that I intake before and after fasting. And then also we have friends and families who love to gather around and invite each other to break the fast with them. Catch you in the next one guys. Take care. Peace.